Hello dear students, very good morning all of you. Welcome to Chatty Coaching classes. We are studying your 9th standard mathematics chapter, that is Polynomials. I hope you all are safe and fine and studying really good. See, in previous video lecture we have seen the types of polynomials based on degree. Based on degree there are 3 types of polynomials. First one is the linear polynomial, second is quadratic polynomial, and third one is the cubic polynomial. Whereas linear polynomial is the polynomial having degree 1, quadratic polynomial is the polynomial having degree 2, and last one, cubic polynomial, is the type of polynomial having degree 3. We have seen the standard form and coefficients there, okay? I have written the chart on the board and which I have provided you in the notes among. Please note down that chart and remember the 3 types of polynomials based on degree, and in the previous video lecture we have seen 3 types of polynomials based on the terms. That's it. Now we will learn standard form, coefficient form and index form of polynomial. We will start with this. Firstly, I will tell you the definitions. Standard form, p of x is equal to x minus 3x square plus 5 plus x raised to 4 or x power 4 is the polynomial in x. Okay, yes, this is the polynomial in x because x is the only variable over here in the polynomial. Therefore, this is the polynomial in x, which can be returned in descending powers. We have to return it in the descending powers. Descending powers, keep in mind, powers 4, 2, 1, 1, these are the powers. We have to write it by descending powers. How we can write this? Which is the greater power? X raised to 4 minus the x raised to 4, after that minus 3 raised to x, after that x and 5. So we can write this polynomial in descending order like x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 2 plus x and plus 5, and this is called as standard form of polynomial. What is standard form of polynomial? If the given polynomial is written in the descending form of the powers, is called as standard form of polynomial. Whatever the polynomial is, we have to write in the descending form of powers. Keep the word in your mind, powers, descending form of powers. This is the polynomial, a polynomial in x which can be returned in the descending powers as x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 2 plus x and plus 5, and this is called as standard form of polynomial. Simply you can write the standard form of any polynomial. If they have given you the any polynomial, you have to just check out the powers and you have to write them in descending order. Descending means from bigger to smaller. Okay, don't have any confusion. Descending means from bigger to smaller. Okay, this is called as descending, and ascending is smaller to bigger. Most of the students having confusion in between descending and ascending. Descending is from bigger to smaller. You have to arrange the powers of given polynomials in the descending order, that is from bigger to smaller, and the format is called as standard form of polynomial. Okay, do you got what is meant by standard form of polynomial? Next to this is coefficient form. Now, do you know what is meant by coefficient? You do know, okay? In the previous video lecture, when we see the standard form and coefficient form of the types of polynomial, okay? One can write the coefficients of the variables by considering all missing terms in standard form of polynomial, okay? Supposed to be, we have to write the coefficients, then we will write all the coefficients like for the missing term 2, and this is for the, we will see the example so that you will get clarified. X raised to 3 minus 3x raised to 2 plus 0x minus 8. How you will write coefficients for this? Okay, here the number before the variable, number before variable x is nothing, that is 1, so we will write 1. The number before this x variable x cube square is minus 3, therefore coefficient is minus 3. After that the number before this x is 0, therefore coefficient is 0, and this is the 8, there is no variable, so the coefficient is 8. So overall for this polynomial coefficients are 1, this minus 3, 0 and 8. So 1, minus 3, 0 and 8. These are the coefficients, and this is called as coefficient form of polynomial. Okay, suppose to be they have given us any of the polynomial. For this we can write coefficient. There is nothing means 1, here is minus 3 plus 1. Okay, this is how we can write the coefficients of any given polynomial and called as coefficient form of polynomial. Now next we will move towards the index form. What is mean by index form of polynomial? See, with the polynomial 4, 0, minus 5 and 1 can be written by using variable y as, suppose these are the numbers of polynomial, they have given us 4, 0, minus 5 and 1. We have to write this using variable y. How we will write that? These are the coefficients, okay, these numbers are the coefficients. We will write it as 4y power 4 plus 0y power they have given 0, then plus 0y power 3 minus 5, they have given us minus 5, so minus 5y square, they have given 0, okay, not given, but we will write here plus 0y and plus 1, okay, we will write 0 over here. Okay, so what we did is we took all these coefficients and combined them with the variable x and written the polynomial. This is called as index form of polynomial. It is very simple. What we have to do? We have to pick just the given coefficient and we have to convert them into polynomial. Okay, this is how standard form, coefficient form and index form of polynomial. I will explain once again. Standard form, we will see the example p of x is equal to x minus 3x square plus 5 plus x raised to 4 is the polynomial. It can be written in the descending powers. Keep the word in your mind, descending powers, as x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus x plus 5. This is the descending order of the polynomial and this is called as standard form of polynomial. If we write the polynomial in descending order of powers, then it is called as standard form of polynomial. Second is coefficient form. One can write the coefficients of variables by considering the missing terms in the standard form of polynomial. Example, we have to write in standard form, okay, that is descending order of powers, 1x or x raised to 3 minus 3x square plus 0x minus 8. We have to write coefficients for this. Here is nothing means what, 1, so we have written 1. The number before variable x is minus 3, so we have written minus 3. Here number before x is 0, so we have written 0. Here is no variable but the number is 8, so we have written the 8. After that, index form. Polynomial, these are the coefficients 4, 0, minus 5, 0 and 1 can be written by using variable y. They can tell us to write by using variable x, m, whatever it is. What we have to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, okay, 5. These are the 5. These are the 5 coefficients and we have to convert them into polynomial by using variable y. We converted them. We take the 4 coefficient 4y raised power 4 or raised to 4 plus 0y raised to 3 minus 5y square plus 0y plus 1, and this is called as index form of polynomials. Today we have seen standard form, coefficient form and index form of polynomial. I will provide all these in the notes, and in the next video lecture we will start with your practice set 3.1. Keep studying. Take care of yourself. Thank you.